Good afternoon.
Lunch.
Lunch. No, it's about what time now? What time now?
3:45.
3:45, my lunch. What is this? Beans. This is string beans. And this is what? Chicken. Tinulang manok na chicken, guys. No curry inside, ha? Sarap. And this one is the hamburger patty. Sarap na sarap ko nito eh. This one is what we call is an okoy. Ang dami kong ano. Tapos a cup of rice. Then coffee matic. Kain po tayo, guys. Kain po tayo. Ang gutom na ako eh. Alas 3:45 na. Wala pa akong brunch. Wala pa akong breakfast and lunch. Ang sarap ng ano po. Itong chicken o, sarap ng chicken. Ang sarap ka. Ito, sarap-sarap ko nito eh. May nainggit naman dyan na basta Pinoy daw, kapitan daw, nagpapaservice yung, oy, normal yan, choy. Huwag kang maingit eh. I have all the privileges. Ang sarap ka. Ang sarap. Sarap ng tinulan ni Mayon. Lahat ito sarap to. Ubusin ko yung